So today my dad and I are smoking a pork butt, and my dad and I took off the netting and put butcher's twine because it is a boneless pork butt, and we are using yellow mustard as a binder, and then we're using Hellbound wild maple as our rub, and I will be linking where you can get the the rub on in the description. And you can either use mustard or mayonnaise as your binder. Anyone works, and that's all you can use. So, and now I'm adding the Hellbound wood fire maple. Wildwood maple, sorry. Next, we are going to be smoking this at 275 on our wood pellet Traeger grill. So the pork butt is a Duroc pork butt, and it's 2¼ pounds, and we're thinking 2 hours per pound, and we will see when it's ready. It may be done sooner than that. Okay, so now we're going to put the pork butt on the smoker, and we use a blend, the Kirkland hardwood pellets, which is a blend of oak, hickory, and maple. So we also use a smoke tube, which you guys don't always have to do, but I recommend it because it gets it a little extra smoky. And then I put the meter probe device under our board because it's Bluetooth connected, and it needs to stay close enough to the probe to keep the Bluetooth connection enabled. One more thing, we will be spritzing the pork butt every 20 minutes with a blend of apple juice and apple cider vinegar. We just pulled out the pork, and now we're gonna hit it with the Honey Hog Hot. And you don't need too much, just to add a little bit of spice. And then you add just enough apple juice to have a small bit at the bottom for a little bit of moisture. And then we add the brown sugar to kind of give it a crispy coating.
How much are you using there?
Like a couple tablespoons.
Maybe about a quarter cup?
A quarter cup, yeah. And then we add butter.
How much?
Half a stick of butter. We usually add some, I usually add some on the top. And then I usually add just one of the tablespoons on the bottom. And then we're adding maple syrup. We usually add honey, but we didn't have any honey, so that's what we're adding today. And we're cooking it in a ceramic pot. We usually use aluminum, but we did not have the correct size. So now we're about halfway through the cook. It looks like it's only gonna take 2½ hours total. And now we wrap it with the aluminum foil to make sure no heat gets out and keeps the heat in. Now we put it back on the Traeger until the internal temperature reaches 205 degrees. And for a side dish, we're gonna cook this beautiful asparagus that's multicolored, purple and green, that is grown here locally in Colorado. And we're gonna be using this Hellbound rub with olive oil, but you can use any rub of your choosing or any other seasonings you choose. And it goes on the grill. Okay, so now it's time to shred the meat, but we also have for side dishes, we have a red lettuce with arugula and mandarin oranges, red peppers, onions, and toasted almonds. Our asparagus, purple and green asparagus. And to shred the meat, I'm using these Mountain Griller meat claws that I got off Amazon. And we're going to see how well this shreds. So now that it's all shredded, I am going to put it back in the pan with the juices that it was cooked in. And we're going to serve it. And done. And now for the taste test. Really sweet and a little bit of spice. That's always good with barbecue. I do suggest making this.